Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Eggy Crossbody back in Hearttopia game latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the Hearttopia latest update, there is an event called Time Travel Rescue. And if you want to get the Eggy Crossbody back, you need to participate in this event, specifically the Spark of Romance event. And I'm going to show you the event details. Okay, basically guys, if you want to participate in this event, you need to pick your daily role. You can go to the totem right here. I'm going to show you on the map. Okay, at the whale mountain, you can claim your role, and I've already claimed my role. Once you claim it, you need to go back to the Spark of Romance event, and you need to get the link signal. You need to link your role with another role. Just click on link like this and ask another DG member to tap on the link icon, and after that you will get the signal, link signal. And once you collect the link signal, you can use it to claim this Eggy Crossbody bag. I've already unlocked it, and this is how the bag looks like. So to get this item, just participate in the Spark of Romance event in Hearttopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Eggy Crossbody back in Hearttopia game latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!